Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I hope you're all the fine. Today we are discussing about the asphalt core cutting at the road. Coring procedure should be done in the morning time while the ambient temperature is low. The coring of asphalt pavement should be taken once the asphalt layer is fully cooled to its ambient temperature, otherwise it can result in deformation of the core and change its organally properties like a density shape. Now let's start the procedure. Step 1. For the freshly compacted asphalt material, the core shall be taken with the material has had enough amount of time to cool the pavement damage to the core. Step 2. To accelerate the coring process, a cooling agent may be used. Step 3. Connect the drill with the power supply and water unit agent. Okay. Step 4. Place the coring machine such that the core bit is over the selected location. Step 5. Adjust the level adjustment bolt at the bottom of drill stand so that the bubble comes in the level indicator center. This will keep the core bit perpendicular to the asphalt surface during the coring process. You know guys, the most common method is a nuclear density gauge. The gauge measures compaction as a pavement is placed. Therefore, a technician can tell the roller operator if additional compaction is needed. So that once the pavement is placed, core samples with laboratory analysis can also be performed to confirm the compaction levels. Number 4. Measure the diameter of each core at the center twice. The second measurement will be 90 degrees off from the first one. Write these measurements down and then calculate the area of circular surface of the core using this average of those two measurements as your diameter. Number 5. Then pump up the water using the water supply unit to aid in removing cutting and minimizing the heat generation due to friction. Number 6. Continue the coring operation until the desired depth is achieved. Number 7. Collect the core specimen with the retrieval device. Number 8. Measure the depth of specimen using vernier caliper with the authorized personnel. 3 or more measurements shall be taken of sample and average thickness or depth to be measured through all sample recorded in the particular from a feature report or a result procedure. Number 9. The hole made from coring operation shall be filled with a material that will not become dislodged. I hope you guys like this video of mine. Take care and goodbye.